Good morning, students. Myself Bandana Kumari, and I welcome you all in English grammar class of class 1. Here we are going to start lesson 8, and the name of this lesson is am, are. We have already learned about pronouns, that the words which replaces naming words which take place of naming word or noun are called pronouns. Now we are going to learn the use of is, am, are, where and how to use these three words. We will learn how these three words are helpful in making sentences with pronoun. So here we go. Use of am. First of all, we will learn about am. We use am when we talk about ourselves. Means whenever we are talking about ourselves, then we use am. We use am only with I. Whenever we are talking about ourselves, we use I. And with I, we should use am always. Now students, see this picture. Here you can see a little elephant and the elephant is eating banana. So suppose this elephant can speak, then what it will say? What it will speak about himself? So here this elephant is saying, I am an elephant. I am big. I am fond of eating banana. Means in first sentence you can see the elephant is talking about himself. So he is using I, and with I he uses am. So I am an elephant. In next sentence again he is speaking about his size. So he is saying I am big. In next line he is talking about his favorite food. So again he is saying using I, and with I he is using am. I am fond of eating banana. So here we are having some fill in the blanks and we will fill the blanks. So students, look at this picture. It's a picture of a classroom. So here number one sentence is I dash a student. Means whoever the speaker is there is speaking about himself. Here I is used, so with I always we should use am. So I am a student. Number two, I dash 6 years old. So I am 6 years old. Number three, I am sitting in my class and studying. I am sitting in my class and studying. Number four, I dash listening to my teacher. I am listening to my teacher. Number five, I dash fond of reading books. I am fond of reading books. In these five sentences, what we saw? That all the sentences are started with I, and we should always use am with I. These all sentences are said by the speaker about himself or herself only. Read what Rahul says about his family. This is Rahul and he is having one dog. What he is saying about himself? He says, my name is Rahul. I am 6 years old. My mother is a lawyer. My father is a doctor. They are very fond of me. Tipsy is my pet dog. It is white. It is quite big. We are together at home on Sunday. I really like Sunday. From the previous sentences, we can see that we use is when we talk about a naming word that means only one. Always remember, we use is when we talk about any naming word that means only one. But we use are, when we talk about a naming word that means more than one. Means if we are talking about one naming word, then we should use is. If we are talking about more than one naming word, then we should use are. We also use are with you. Means if in any sentence we are using y or you, then we should always use are with you. Remember this, students. For you, we should always use are. Write is or are in the blanks. Now here we are having some blanks and you have to write down whether we have to use is or whether we have to use are. Now, it dash hot day today. It is hot day today because we are talking about only one day. The fruits in the basket. Fruits means more than one, so we will use are. The fruits are in the basket. She dash a doctor. She means only one woman or a girl. So she is a doctor. Rubina dash a dancer. Rubina is a name of a person or a girl or a woman. That is also only one. So Rubina is a dancer. Next, number 5. We dash soldiers. Soldiers means more than one. This is plural, more than one. So we will use we are. We are. We means many. Soldiers. We and soldiers, they are more than one, so are. Next, number 6. Samir dash fond of chocolate. Samir is the name of a boy. Only one, so we will write is. Samir is fond of chocolates. Next, the butterfly dash beautiful. Butterfly means only one butterfly. The butterfly is beautiful. Rohit and Ravi dash playing with a toy. Rohit and Ravi means two. More than one means Rohit and Ravi are playing with a toy. An ant dash very small. An ant means only one, so an ant is very small. You dash writing a story. We should always use are with you. So you are writing a story. Next, write 6 more sentences. Use one word from each box. If you see here pronouns are given. Helping word am is are is given and here some verbs are given. You have to match the pronoun with helping verb and then you have to make sentences with them. So here the first sentence is we are writing. Number 2 we can make you are reading. Number 3 she is playing. Number 4 I am cooking. Number 5 it is barking. Number 6 he is dancing. Number 7 they are swimming. Now next, look at each picture and pick the correct answer. See kids, here it is written, are these dogs? Look at this picture. According to the picture, you have to give the answer. Are these dogs? No, they are not because they are cats. Now come to the next picture. Are you a doctor? Look at this picture. Are you a doctor? Yes, I am. Number 3, are they students? No, they are not. Are the chairs? Look at this picture. Are the chairs? Yes, they are. Number 5, is she a nurse? Yes, she is. Next, look at the picture and tick the correct sentence. Here, picture is given and according to this picture, you have to tick the correct sentence. Number 1, A, there is children on the bus. B, there are children on the bus. Here, if you see this picture, we can see many children are there, more than one. So, more than one means plural, children. And always with plural, we use are. So, the answer will be there are children on the bus. Number 2, there are shoes under the bed. There is shoes under the bed. For shoes, as it is plural, so we should use are. There are shoes under the bed. Is there a king on the throne? Are there a king on the throne? The king is only one, so we should use is. Is there a king on the throne? I am hungry. I is hungry. Always remember, we should use am with I always. So I am hungry is the right answer. So students, through this chapter, we learn how and where to use am, where to use is, and where to use are. We should always use am with I. We should always use am with I. We should use is with a naming word which is only one, and we should use are with the naming word which is more than one. And the last, whenever we are using you with you pronoun, we should always use are. So students, thank you so much, and I hope you all got it, whatever I taught you in this chapter. Thank you.